guys for subscribing my channel, and you guys are supporting us a lot, and that means a lot to us. And also my watch time is going up, and day by day I'm trying my best to film videos with my online classes on. And yeah, thank you guys so much. That means a lot to me. I can't tell you guys. I'm super excited with this video, and also super excited for you to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed to Techdisplay, please do subscribe to Techdisplay, and now let's get into the video. So previously on my videos, I've done mostly reviewing stuff, and today I'm going to be doing unboxing. In my previous video, I've done Redmi 9A, and today's video has a Dolby unboxing. And you guys have to guess what it is. I'm going to tell you now. So it is from Amazon, and guess what it is? Can you? Alright, so I'm going to tell you now. So it is a mini tripod. So the reason why I brought this mini tripod is I was having the bigger one, and I like small mini tripods because that was not fitting in my backpack, and I want to carry my tripod each and everywhere where I go because I film vlogs and stuff like that. So I wanted something small so that I can hold and not really weight, so it would be easy for me. And then I searched into Amazon and also in silver color, which was a great thing because I searched a lot of them and I finally found this one. And I was wishing to get that in silver. I'm not sure it's silver or not, but I love silver, and finally I got it with some nice product, and now let's just get unboxing it. And yeah guys, I love Amazon because look at the packaging. They give us free safety packaging because all the products I get from Amazon, I don't go and shop, I get from Amazon. Now let's get unboxing. And I love how they gave this all cardboard stuff. Alright, so let's just remove this. And there's nothing else in it, so let's just put this aside. And look at this box. This box is too small, and I think the tripod is more small than this box, which is really good. And it is something like this, and all over the box are a lot of instructions, and yeah, I'm pretty excited. And also the packaging quality is superb, and I love it. So now let's just start unboxing it. Alright, so okay, here it is. This tripod. Let's just put this aside. And here's the box how it looks like. And let's just put this aside now. God. Alright, so here we go. We'll get this little back thing, which is I love the fabric of this. So you can just put your tripod in, wherever you go. It is smaller than my pencil case is. I love it. Wow. Very cool. And inside this, we got nothing. Alright, so. Okay, I'm excited for this tripod. This is more small than my hand, guys. Look at my hand and look at this. And yeah, I got it in silver, and the whole body is in aluminum, which I like the most. Alright, so here is something which bends, where you can fit the phone size. If you want it more bended, you can just put it. It bends up to 90 degrees, which is really great. And this is the alarm, which you can fix how much you want. You can lose it, you can do it like this, here. Yeah, it's pretty great. And here is, you can expand, you can also expand this. Oh my god. So I'll just wait a second, guys. I'll just expand this. And here we go. Look how clean this is. You can also do this with this, and yeah. And another thing is you also can put your camera in here, and you have this little phone stand. So I actually brought my phone to show you guys put this in. And now I'm going to put this in, guys. So yeah, let's go. Alright, so it's pretty easy because my old one was taking me a minute to put this in, but it's just taking 15 seconds or 2 seconds. And look, it's completely done. And you can also fix this, for example, right now I'm doing it. So I want this to be in the middle and tight this. Alright, so let's just tight this and put my phone in. Alright, so wait a second, let me just put my phone in now. Alright, so now I'm going to put my phone in. It is pretty easy, guys, and also they will give us this little phone thing where you can like the phone doesn't get any scratches. So it is pretty easy, and you can I can probably film my vlogs with this like that. And now I'll just on and show you guys. Wait a second. So now I'm gonna film a video and show you all guys. Alright. Alright, so I'm gonna put it here, and yeah, it's so easy, guys, and look, it is so easy, and I love it. So let's just remove this now. Alright, so it's pretty easy to film videos with this. You can also carry it. Now I'll try to put all of this in this bag, so let's see if it can fit in here or not. I'm going to remove this now, so yeah. Let's just remove this and tighten this up. So I'm going to put this all back in their places. And you can, like, it's not like you can also put this like this if you want, like, only to look whatever you're unboxing. If you're like wanting your face to be, you can also like extend this. And now I'm going to put this in. Close this. Oh my god. Put this in. Oh wow. Look how small it is. Now I have like a bag where I can carry like all the time. Look at this. And yeah, I hope you understood this, and I hope you'll like it. If you do, smash the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to Techdisplay. Techdisplay is coming with some new content and also some new gadgets and like that. Till then, see you, bye bye.